Good morning, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama back out here in the lot taking a look at some more single wides. Today I'm going to show you a home that we call the Macon. I'm going to show you in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath version. They did some really cool things in here, so I'm excited for you guys to see. Let's just take a walk down the exterior of the home. Here's your front door. But they did something really cool down here. This is a flint gray siding made out of vinyl. They put a slider, which, guys, when you add windows or you put sliders in, you are just opening up the sunlight to come right in. It's so beautiful. And I think it looks pretty cool like this. I won't go all the way down, but there's the end of it. Water spigot on the outside, electrical receptacle as well. You get one, that comes with the home. You can always add an extra one. White shutters. You get to pick the color of the shutters. We've got white, black, hunter green, navy blue, and clay. Let's go check out the inside. All right, so I'm standing right at the front door looking in. Nice wide open floor plan. Here you're gonna see the living area. We could enlarge those windows. I would recommend that to a 46 by 61. Or if the 30 by 61 is okay, that's okay too, because you do have that slider down there letting lots of natural light in. Now, check out this wall. So we have Casper cashmere on the wall over here. Let's get a little closer. This is a gray, little bit of a pattern. We call it Casper cashmere. But over on this wall, we did an accent wall. See how that switches up? Pretty cool. Kind of like a wood grain look to it. As we pan out here, it just kind of breaks up the monotony of the gray. We've got a lot of grays and whites in here. Nordic white on the floor. This is a brand new floor for us. Coming into the kitchen, as soon as you get into the kitchen, you'll notice that on this back side wall, they took it back to that pattern. We got dimmer switches. This home, you have the optional extended cabinet. That's what this is. You could also do a pull-out shelf on the bottom of this. Extends your counter space and also gives you more storage. That's great. Corner sink. It's a very popular thing amongst people. Here we got that laminate backsplash again. People using their heads, protecting their walls. That's great. We've got a microwave over the range, a side-by-side 21.2 cubic foot refrigerator, ice and water in the door. We got a refrigerator shelf over that. Down here we got a dishwasher. This customer opted to do the optional hutch. I love these glass doors. Those are beveled. I thought that sound would make you realize that. So you got the lowers and the uppers with this. A lot of people love this floor plan because when you're coming in the back door, you have a separate mudroom area. People like that, especially if you got muddy boots or something. You can not track things through the house. That keeps a happy wife and a happy life. Let me check out behind here. This is the washer dryer area. We've added washer dryer cabinets here. This also has a door so you can shut it off, go into the rest of the house in case you have a pet or something you don't want to get outside. But look how that slider just changes things up. Man, it's incredible. Recessed can lighting, ceiling fan in the living room. Now let's head back towards the other way. This home is available in a 2 or a 3-bedroom floor plan. We got the furnace hiding back here. That is available in gas or electric. The standard is electric. They kept going with that accent wall theme all the way through their bedroom. They just did this one wall here. Perimeter heat, we've talked about that in many of my videos. You see the registers are up against the wall. This home has a nice big walk-in closet. This is the master walk-in closet. Wait till you see the other one. We opted for the optional master bath in here. I have a customer right now, we're building one of these, and this is the way we're gonna go, where you can get 2 sinks. We did the 3-bulb light strips up there. You do have a light in the bath fan, but it's nice to have those 3-bulb light strips for when you're doing your makeup or, you know, you just need some extra light in the bathroom. Looks like they kept going with the accent wall. And over commode linen cabinet. You could also do a window back there. The customer I'm working on, we're going to put a 14 by 40 window behind the commode. Some people like to be able to open a window, get some fresh air in the bathroom. This is a 2-seater, our walk-in shower. You can get that with doors or without doors. This customer obviously has opted for the doors. Look how large this bedroom is. Easily fit a king in here. All right, heading back towards the other end of the home. Look how light and bright this house is, guys. Because they chose the colors that they chose, really lighten it up. Also, this slider makes a huge difference. All right, heading back here. Here's our second bath. Over the commode linen again. Vanity, pretty simple in here. Tub shower combination. Now, this, I want you to see. This is the second bedroom, guys. Look how big that is. It's huge. Remember, this is available in a 2 or 3 bedroom version. This is the 2-bedroom version. Let's walk around and check out this closet. I'm gonna walk in here. It's huge. Let's see, I've taken about 4 steps in. A lot of people are looking for single wides with 2 very large bedrooms, 1 on each end, split bedrooms. It's a very popular thing. We could do carpet in the closet if you wanted to. If you like what you see and you want to come take a tour and see several homes, we do provide a free overnight stay for you and your family at a very nice Amish-inspired inn. This place is amazing. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like for me. I appreciate y'all. Have a good day.